In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Xbox gift card on phone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can easily redeem an Xbox gift card directly on any mobile device. To do this, you either have to visit the official website or do it through the Xbox app. So first, I'm gonna teach you how to do it through the app, but like I said before, you can also follow this through the website, which I'm going to showcase later. If you are using the app, open the Xbox application, sign into your account, and then tap on your profile icon at the top left. Now tap on the settings at the top right, and you will find a redeem code under the account option. So in here you can choose redeem code. Immediately upon selecting redeem code, you will be able to input the 25-character code that you have on your gift card. This will redeem the funds of the gift card into this Xbox or Microsoft account. Now, if you aren't using the app, then you will have to visit the website. You can go over to xbox.com/redeem through a web browser. If you aren't signed in, then you will see the option to do so here. And after you sign into your account, it's going to be as simple as tapping on Redeem Now. Once you choose Redeem Now, you can input the 25-character code. So just like the application, you will input the 25-character code from your gift card in this page. If it doesn't work, then double check that you input the digits correctly. Make sure that you don't mix up things. For example, an I with a 1 or an L, an O with a 0, and so on. And as long as the gift card was properly purchased and it hasn't been redeemed, you can use it on these pages. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us or the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.